How to spot foot sores on guinea pigs. Foot sores, also known as bumblefoot, are common in guinea pigs. The sores are usually caused by bacteria that enters the body through a cut or scrape on the bottom of a guinea pig's foot. Foot sores, which require treatment by a vet, can be very painful for a guinea pig and could lead to serious health problems if left untreated. The sooner you can spot your guinea pig's foot sores, the sooner it can get treated and get better. Part 1. Observing your guinea pig walk. 1. Watch your guinea pig walk. In guinea pigs, foot sores typically affect the front feet. If your guinea pig has foot sores, it will walk with a limp and favor whichever foot does not have sores. 2. Listen to your guinea pig as he walks. Foot sores will be very painful for your guinea pig. If your guinea pig can walk, you may hear it squeak from the pain. 3. Coax your guinea pig to walk. Because of the painful foot sores, your guinea pig may not want to walk around in its cage. Place some tasty treats in your hand. Lower your hand into its cage and see if it comes to you. If your guinea pig stays where it is, its feet may hurt too much to put pressure on them. If it doesn't come to you after the first try, do not try again. 4. Monitor your guinea pig's appetite. If your guinea pig's foot sores are really bothering him, it may stop eating. This could be because it can't physically get to its food anymore, or the pain has affected its appetite. With a decreased appetite, your guinea pig may start to lose weight. Part 2. Examining your guinea pig's feet. 1. Be gentle when examining your guinea pig's feet. Your guinea pig's feet will be extremely painful. The slightest touch of the feet could cause your guinea pig to cry out in pain. Consider using a soft and soothing voice and offering treats when you examine the feet. 2. Feel the skin on your guinea pig's feet. The skin on the bottom of a healthy guinea pig foot is smooth with a light pink color. If your guinea pig has foot sores, the skin will feel rough and crusty. Some of the roughness may come from scabs. The skin may feel warm to the touch. The affected foot will not have pink skin. The skin will probably be dark. 3. Check your guinea pig's feet for wounds. You will probably see some cuts and scrapes on the bottom of the affected foot. In addition, you may see ulcers, which are open wounds. These ulcers may be draining a yellow or green colored fluid, which would indicate infection. The ulcers are usually 0.5 to 3 centimeters in diameter. If your guinea pig has a severe case of foot sores, you would also see abscesses, which are closed wounds that are filled with pus. Abscesses are indicators of a bacterial infection. 4. Look for swelling and redness. As painful as your guinea pig's foot sores may be, they are its body's natural response to some type of injury or infection. Those foot sores will probably look red and swollen, indicating inflammation. If bacteria has entered your guinea pig's foot and started traveling upward through the legs, the joints may also start swelling. Inflammation of the foot skin is called pododermatitis. Part 3. Getting a veterinary diagnosis. 1. Take your guinea pig to your vet. When you spot foot sores on your guinea pig's feet, take him to your vet for diagnosis and treatment. During the appointment, provide as much information as you can about your guinea pig. Risk factors for foot sores include wire flooring and a lack of vitamin C, so make sure you tell your vet about your guinea pig's cage environment and diet. Describe the type of bedding in your guinea pig's cage. Rough bedding, such as awns and straws, can damage the skin on your guinea pig's feet, increasing the likelihood foot sores and infections. Other risk factors for foot sores are obesity and a dirty cage. 2. Allow your vet to examine your guinea pig. Your vet will examine your guinea pig's entire body, paying close attention to the feet and legs. When examining your guinea pig's body, your vet will listen to the lungs and heart, touch your guinea pig from head to toe, and look in the eyes and ears. When looking at the feet and legs, your vet will look for signs of inflammation, redness, heat, swelling, pain, and closely examine the skin. 3. Have your vet perform diagnostic tests. Diagnostic tests will help your vet determine the specific treatment for your guinea pig. Although antibiotics are often used to treat foot sores in guinea pigs, certain antibiotics can make guinea pigs very sick. Therefore, your vet cannot prescribe just any antibiotic. If your vet suspects the bacteria has entered your guinea pig's bones, then X-rays would be needed. Tips. Guinea pigs with foot sores can become depressed. Warnings. If a guinea pig's pain is severe from foot sores, leg amputation or euthanasia may need to be considered. If left untreated, foot sores can lead to deep bone and tendon infections. Tendon damage can leave a guinea pig permanently unable to walk.